Happy Memorial Day. Hey guys, Becki-licious here. And these are the most amazing bacon wrapped hot dogs I have ever made. Crispy bacon, caramelized onions on a grilled hot dog bun. Bacon smells absolutely amazing. All right, first step is we've got to get our onions caramelized because that takes some time. So let's get these thrown in our skillet and let these puppies do it. Our onions are caramelizing. We're going to wrap up our hot dogs with our bacon slices. And these are actually the perfect size. One strip of bacon, one hot dog. Like that. Yummy, yummy. Let's get our bacon wrapped hot dogs on the grill, which I hope you know, it's raining just a little tiny bit, but that's okay. We can handle this. It's Memorial Day. You have to barbecue for Memorial Day, rain or shine. That's how it goes in my book. All right, so we're going to throw these on the grill and get these started. Then I'm going to run back in and check on those onions. Let's get inside quick. We're getting wet. Let's get these turned. Woohoo, that bacon is smoking. Ooh, look at how amazing that looks. Oh, these are going to be amazing. All right, time to bring these in. Oh, bacon smells absolutely amazing. Now we're going to get started on the buns. Let's do it. We've got our hot dogs in off the grill, and we are going to do up our buns with a little bit of a secret ingredient, if you will. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. All right, so we're going to grill these buns, but we are going to add mayonnaise to it, just to give it a little bit of extra oomph, if you will. And I've already got my pan on. We're just going to throw it over on our griddle. So that's it. Got our bun all grilled up. We're going to throw in our yummy bacon wrapped hot dog. Then we're going to come over here and let's throw some of these caramelized onions on here. Oh my goodness. All right. Now we got to get our side. All right, let's get our side, which we made some tater tots because you got to have tater tots. Look how amazing this looks. See, come on. And that is how we like to celebrate Memorial Day. All right, lunch is served. Doesn't this look amazing? Had that mayonnaise on the bun, so we've got that all grilled up. We've got that bacon wrapped hot dog with the caramelized onions. A little bit of tater tots on the side. Come on, doesn't get much better than that, does it? I think it's time to try it. That's just my opinion. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves for this Memorial Day adventure with me, because I know I enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. You enjoyed watching this video? Click on this one.